Hello everybody, welcome back to Financeable. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to redeem one for all gift card. So to get started, go ahead and search for one4all.com and log in into it if you haven't already. Once you do that, scroll all the way down until you see retail partners. So all these shops over here with this little pointer icon at the top right corner. Well, yes, these are the shops where you can guys redeem one for all gift card. Alright, so for example, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can do it in ASOS website. It's similar for all the websites, but just remember, only with the pointer icons, those places can only you can redeem your one for all gift cards. So alright, I'm gonna go ahead and choose this ASOS website, and I'll be visiting the official website of ASOS over here. So it's gonna take me to its official website. So here I'm gonna purchase something, so I'm just gonna go with the random thing or stuff. I'm just gonna go ahead and select the size and add it to my bag. Once you do that, click on the checkout option. Now you will be appear with your payment details. So in order to redeem your one for all gift card, what you gotta do is, here you can see promo student code or your vouchers. So simply add your promo code or student code, and once you do that, once you added your code, you can click on apply code, and that will successfully redeem your one for all gift card. That's all guys, I hope you found the video to be informative and helpful. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.